beams the light of morn, glistening where the dewdrops form. Gentle winds caress the air, a melody so warm and flame. Golden breeze in sweet embrace, silver waters drift in grace, whispered echoes call my name, a song of fate, a love aflame. Ah, hear the song